I think the biopharma market is really evolving a lot and very rapidly. There's a trend going from the monoclonal antibodies to ADCs or bispecific antibodies and so on, and also part of the market that is really interested in biosimilar products. We see more and more biopharma and also pharma industry outsourcing analytical test lines and even complete projects, and so we have to be able to manage with more and more complex projects and requests that are more and more urgent.
The decision to implement new technologies in the lab is mainly based on the requests from our customers. But we also have a scientific and technological watch, and with that we're able to see what are the trends and what the customers may need. And now the authorities require a strong development process, and the customers need to know their product very well. And so the more information they have, the easier they can go through the process and to go quicker into the market. So more and more the authorities require a lot of analytical characterization, including the 3D characterization of the product. And HD-XMS is a way to better characterize the product and to have more insight of the structural features that can have an impact on the biological activity of the sample. The applications of HD-XMS in our lab will mainly focus on the comparability of the samples. So it can be batch-to-batch consistency, comparability after a process modification, but maybe also for the analytical comparability testing of biosimilars. HD-XMS is a technology that exists for quite a long time, but in the past, when I heard about this technology in the conferences, it was quite tricky. These were homemade systems in the different labs. Now with the HD-XMS solution, it's now possible to bring that in a routine analytical lab, and we should now be able to provide our customers with structural information using HD-XMS, which was not possible a few years ago. We chose Waters as the preferred vendor for the HD-XMS solution because of the collaboration we've had with Waters for many years, but also because they are able to provide a fully integrated platform with a full automation of sample preparation to the LC-MS analysis. So HD-XMS is also a new technology for CROs, and by implementing this technology in our lab, we want to be a leader in the structural characterization of biopharmaceutical products.
So we have a counter in the entrance of quality assistance that represents the number of innovative drugs on which we worked.
Our challenge at Quality Assistance is to work on 500 different innovative products by 2020.
And to do so, we in the lab need to be as efficient as possible, working with cutting-edge technologies to be able to characterize these cutting-edge drugs.
So in the last 10 years, Quality Assistance was able to grow at more than 10% a year. And I think that our decision to implement new technologies to provide state-of-the-art analytical testing for the biopharma market is one of the main reasons of that growth.